This is a humanitarian ration. It should cover your dietary needs for a day. And it's vegetarian, so whatever your religion, you should be able to eat it with no problems. It tastes like, Janie?
A bunny.
Like what?
A bunny.
A bunny?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
It tastes a lot. I'm cold.
Which one you like better? The second one. Oatmeal? Figured. Doesn't come with a heater like the MRE, so I stuck it in this coffee maker. What?
Daddy, this tastes like a bunny.
Again?
Yeah.
Besides the heater, it also doesn't have like flavored beverage powder like the MREs do, and several other goodies were missing like coffee, and I don't know what else happened to open the MRE in a while. But overall, they have 2 entrees, and they taste pretty good. The family tasted them. You know, we like the bean lentil soup more than the vegetable, and the oatmeal cookies are better than the sugar cookie. But for $53 for a case of 10, pretty good deal. Check it out.